Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered how websites remember you? Or how your online accounts stay secure? Today, we're breaking down sessions, cookies, and tokens, so let's get started. Imagine you log into a website on your computer. Once you're logged in, the website needs a way to remember you while you move between different pages. It creates a session, a temporary connection between your computer and the website. As long as you're using the site, the session keeps track of your activity. But once you close the browser or log out, the session is deleted, like ending a phone call when you're done talking. There are two main types of cookies you should know about. First one is session cookies. They only last while your browser is open. Once you close it, they're gone. Second is persistent cookies. These stay on your computer even after you close your browser. They're used for things like remembering your login for future visits. All right, let's talk about tokens. When you log into a secure website or app, it can send a token to your computer. This token is like a digital ID card, proof that you've been verified. Now, every time your computer sends a request to the website, it attaches this token. The website checks it and says, "Okay, you're good to go." Tokens often come with an expiration time. Once it expires, or if you log out, the token is no longer valid, and you'll have to log in again. This system helps keep your account safe while you stay connected. Let's quickly recap what we have learned so far. Sessions, temporary connection while you're using a site. Cookies, small files saved on your computer to remember preferences. Tokens, digital IDs sent after login to verify your identity while you stay active. And there you have it, sessions, cookies, and tokens explained with simple computer examples. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our tech explainers. Got a tech topic you're curious about? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to cover it. See you in the next one.